guys, Rick here from the Fultz Bailey Model Railroad. Just wanted to give you a heads up on a video that I got coming out. I'm working on it as you watch this. As you guys have found out with the bridge build and with other things that I have done in the near recent updates, I've become a fan of DPM kits, and I've done quite a few, and now I've got another project that I'm working on. So let me get you down here to the workbench. I'm going to show you what I'm doing, and I'll explain to you how I'm going to do it. So I'm not sure if you're aware, but DPM makes these townhouses. There are 3 of them. They actually call them Townhouse 1, Townhouse 2, and Townhouse 3. You could buy them as a complete one building. They come in these cool little packets. They're really easy to put in. All they really give you is the front face, 2 walls, a back, and a piece of styrene for a roof. They're really neat though. But I saw something else while I was looking at these. You can also just buy a pack of the 3 faces. So they'll come in a kit, because the sides and the back part to all 3 kits are exactly the same. It's the same parts. So whether you build them as singles or try and build them as a row home, just keep in mind that the only thing that is different in all of these 3 kits is the face. So I bought these 3 buildings to have all 3 kits full, and I also got 3 extra faces. Now you can build these just as faces to have as like a backdrop, but I came up with something different. What I want to do is I'm going to take the 3, let me think if I can remember this right. I'm going to take the 3 back walls from each one of these kits, and I'm going to build them as one wall. It's going to look a little weird because it's the same panel 3 times, whatever. It's going to be 3 row homes in the back. All I'm going to need is 2 sides for from one of these kits to put on the side of that. And then I'm going to take my 3 faces, and I'm going to put those 3 faces on the front and make it one big building. Of course, I'm going to have to figure out some styrene for the top of it for the roof, but that's going to be one building. Now, I got all these extra parts from these kits here. So what am I going to do with those? Well, check this out. I'm going to take the 2 side pieces from here and the 2 faces from here, and I'm going to put them into a kit, and I'm going to make a double building out of that. Now, I used all my backs, so what am I going to do? Well, I think I'm just going to put a piece of styrene in there to make it look, or to give it some rigidity, figure out a roof for the top, and then just push that up against a wall. I now have another set of side pieces that I can use, and I still have the face fronts. So I think what I'm going to do is take the face fronts, use the 2 side pieces from here, again, do the same thing, just put a piece of styrene in the back, and again, push those up against the wall, and I should have one building with 3 faces, another building with 2 faces, and then I will still have one kit left to make one kit out of. And as a matter of fact, I've already done that. So here's the first building. This is townhouse number 1. I've been working on this for a couple days now. As you can see, I was actually still painting it because the roof is still wet. I got some more details that I want to put on it. I want to weather it up. But that's the first building. That was my first try. So that's going to be the one that's number 1. This pack is actually empty. This one here is going to get 2 faces and 2 sides with a blank back. This one here will get 3 faces, 2 sides, and a blank back. So look for that video coming up. But I just wanted to give you a heads up that I got something in the works. I am working on it. Takes me a little bit of time because of my time restraints, family, work, all that jazz. So I am working on it. I hope you like the other building. I got the other 3 faces coming. So tune in, stay tuned. And as always, rail riders, let's ride these rails together. See ya.